Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and behind me is 1385 Pintail Way in the beautiful city of Lincoln, California. This property offers an amazing value, which you could add and make your own. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. This great home features 3 full bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, formal living and dining room areas, as well as a family room area with a fireplace. So continue the tour and meet me in the backyard. So that's our tour for today. So when you're ready to view this property in person, please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Again, Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.